Hi everyone, this is Zhang from Virginia Tech. Today I'm going to talk about my paper MentorPDM, Learning Data-Driven Curriculum for Multimodal Predictive Maintenance. So to get started, we need to understand what is predictive maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses time series historical data and failure data to predict the future potential health of industrial equipment and enable business to optimize maintenance schedule and improve reliability. In this domain, we identify two unique challenges. The first one is irregular signal acquisition. So in this domain, sensor signals are often sampled in different sampling rate. And for the second challenge is the signal heterogeneity. That means the sensor signals are often coming in different sources. Because of these two unique challenges, they are posing a big problem with the modern machine learning models. So in our paper, we propose a solution called MentorPDM. This MentorPDM it consists of two modules. The first one is called a graph augmented pre-training module. This graph augmented pre-training module uses GNN module to process the input signals, and then use the temporal contrasted learning module to learn the temporal correlations. And further, we employ a bi-level curriculum learning module, which help us to understand the complexity of the data. We sort the sample complexity and the modality complexity. By combining those factors, we're able to learn the proper representation for these signals. As you can see here, in our model, for our model, we're competing with the state-of-art model by a large margin, and this is shown from our experiment results. And from the left side, we do see like the case study of how our model can be applied for stage classification. And the right side, we show like the applicability of scaling this model up. And this is the my paper. Thank you so much.